problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Habikran bigilat patai kubor, Sumut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla, Belong Ru Chairman ke Regional Committee ke West Janja Hills, Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar. Ulaong bagi Sorkar Jylla ke iakren, bat ke Sorkar Assam membentak ke jinglong jingman kelas sedang long jai-jai. Bagi Sorkar kini biteng ke iakren, haga kedan jongbro arngut ke Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ban penbej iakne ke kam. Ulaong bagi Sorkar kelas simkia hagi babun ke benta, halo ke ikan ad, kabala mi dang shen, baru ulaong ru, ba mencuakam don kanu-kanu ke ka japut, haga Shnong Lapangap.
No, we are still discussing with the other counterpart. That's why now the situation is normal as of now. We are still having a discussion with even at the level of both the chief minister. We are discussing. No, actually, you see, it was not there before. So when there is plus minus here and there comes, so tension has come. So we are trying to solve it. Even now CM is on the job with this with other counterpart. Even now.
Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar uba kemiru ya ketenat transport ula pentip ba ula dak betha ba de benlek de beteng bat bandan kuna persya ikiru shimet ki bapen kamai bean yi kali ki jongki klem ke jingyo jingbet ula ong ba ula dak betha iki officer ketenat transport bikin lei kamtam ading jing sya peniap unong indoor bat kumta ki kali jongkiru shimet kim la satya ban kamai klem dayo ke jingbet bat kedai kebagaan ke kang persya yaki bakin kamai bean Ulaong mag Sorkar kala penlong ya jingelang ban penti kena bamde ban penan kami ki kali shimet ne ki thuk ha ga ban pha kamai klem dayo ki jingbet bat kumta kala bo ekador ban dan kuna ya ki to ki bapen ken ya kenekaan.
That's why you are seeing the police on the job. That's why the issues find scheme from time to time. That means we are implementing it. And that's why if you compare from for the last few months now, it's quite improved. There is no one parking right on the middle of the road. Yes, maybe not one shot at one time. So hopefully it will be improved properly. Don't worry, we will do it. That's why especially personally from my side, I always request my people of the city, please cooperate with the government to avoid all this traffic jam. You see, it's a collective responsibility. We are here to work for the people. Point number one. And thanks for people, they always cooperate us also. Yes, there is some challenges here and there. That's no problem. There is challenges, but we always work with challenges.